Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Goth, and tonight I have a chicken recipe for you. It's honey barbecue cracked chicken. I found a recipe on delish.com and then I added a bunch of stuff to it and did my own thing. Yeah, let's get started. This is what you're gonna freaking need. That's my cat. I put his collar on him. 1 plastic bag to shake your chicken in. About 2 pounds of chicken tenderloins. 3 large eggs. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 2 cups of plain panko breadcrumbs. Something's flying around my head. Hope it's not a stink bug. It's hard to land. 1 cup of your choice barbecue sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. 1 shot of Jim Beam. I chose apple liquor infused with Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. Same stuff I used for the caramel shot glasses. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. A teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 cup of honey, but I can't show it to you because I already used it up and threw it away. It was the kind with the little bear, you know what I'm talking about? First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And now get your plastic bag out and put your 1 cup of flour in it. And then shake the crap out of that chicken. Spray your pan. Now whisk together your 3 chicken embryos with 2 tablespoons of water until well combined. Don't get chicken mama into the embryos and then into the panko breadcrumbs, and then put them all on your rack to bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. And now to put on the sauce. Boil barbecue sauce, brown sugar, and honey, lime juice. Hey, doesn't that kind of look like a person? I kind of think it does. More lime juice, and then garlic powder, alcohol. And now boil for about 5 minutes to cook down a little bit, and then dunk in your chicken. And then you're done. Look how golden delicious that looks. And now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna cut me off a big piece. Oh, that knife just slid right through there. I think I put a little bit too much honey. This was basically a food experiment anyways. So, for you honey lovers out there, you'll definitely like this. Just omit the honey. If you don't like honey, take the honey out. I've had this about 1 million times before without honey, and it was really great. I like it. It's not the best chicken I've ever tasted. I'll definitely eat the rest of this, and my family will probably like it too. But, yeah, next time I eat it, I'll eat it without the honey. And whenever I said I had it before without the honey, sorry, I just spit. And whenever I said I had it before without the honey, I didn't have any Jim Beam or anything like that in there either. It was just like, it was the brown sugar, of course the barbecue sauce, the lime juice, and garlic, I think. The rest of that stuff I kind of added, you know. Yeah, it's good. I'm not knocking it. I'm definitely not knocking it. It's just not totally my thing. But I figure if I mix up a little bit more barbecue sauce, I could definitely make this better. It's not ruined or anything. But like I said, if you're a honey lover, you would definitely be able to get behind this. Have a great night, everyone.